how to view all your notification bubble conversations on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next in here, go down, then tap on notifications. After that, go down and tap on advanced settings. Then tap on conversations. In here, you'll be able to view all the bubbles or the conversations. You can tap on it. And from here, you can choose to set that conversation bubble as priority, alert, or silent. And you can turn on or turn off bubble this conversation. So here you can switch it off and then tap on the back key. You can switch back on bubble this conversation. And after that, you can also choose to show as pop-up or not. And you can also change the sound for that particular conversation. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.